Are you bored, but somehow still too tired to actually do anything? Do you open your feed and see all of these beautiful, aesthetic ideas and tell yourself that you want to do it, but instead you just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling? In this video, I'm going to share some of my favorite creative and low-effort ideas that you can try instead of doom scrolling to help you romanticize life and actually start your Pinterest glow up. One of the easiest ways to instantly romanticize your space is by decorating your room with flowers. Whether you receive a bouquet from someone special or buy one for yourself, having fresh flowers in your room just makes everything feel more alive. As they start to wilt, instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into creative little projects. You can wax seal the flowers to preserve their shape for a bit longer, or if the bouquet is extra meaningful, place it in a jar filled with baby oil to keep it as a long-term memory. As they naturally dry, you can hang them upside down on your wall to use as a super cute and low-effort room decor. You can also iron press the flowers flat to save them for future DIYs like bookmarks, collage pages, or sketchbook decorations. Whatever you choose to do with them, it's a great way to make your room feel livelier, more aesthetic, and serves as a reminder to slow down and appreciate the small moments you'd normally scroll past. Have you seen those super aesthetic drink mixing videos on your page? Instead of scrolling past them, try out a new recipe yourself. It can be coffee, matcha, iced tea, or a brand new drink recipe you want to experiment with. Because why reach for your phone first thing in the morning when you can make a fun drink instead? It's simple and low effort, but helps you set the tone for a calmer and more intentional day. Sometimes, getting out of bed can be very hard. One of my favorite ways to motivate myself is to go on a walk and treat it like a little treasure hunt. Look for interesting leaves and flowers, bring them home, and press them into your sketchbook. This makes the walk feel much more intentional, and it's a simple way to slow down and reconnect with nature because touching grass is good for you. You can also write down all the small things that made you happy on the page, and it'll feel like keeping a piece of that day saved forever. If you want that dreamy Pinterest lighting without having to buy new decor or completely redecorating everything, then this idea is for you. You can make your own light catcher by gluing iridescent sheets or any reflective materials on a canvas and placing it near the window. As the sunlight shines through it, it reflects beautiful colors all around your space, instantly making your room feel more magical and alive. On days when there isn't much sunlight, you can also add fairy lights behind it to keep that glow going. There's really no right or wrong way to do it, and it's one of the easiest ways to shape your environment in a way that feels more intentional. One of my favorite ways to make an ordinary hangout feel extra special is by hosting a creative girls' night. Instead of just watching a movie or doing a group doom scrolling session, you can paint mugs, decorate picture frames, make bouquets, or build a vision board together. It's a low-pressure, fun, and social activity where everyone gets to be creative while sharing ideas and inspiring each other. Plus, it turns simple friendship time into something more meaningful, leaving you with memories and little keepsakes instead of just screen time. One of the cutest ways to be creative is by spreading little moments of joy in your community. You can craft tiny gifts and notes and leave them for friends, family, or complete strangers, turning a simple walk into a mini adventure. Because glowing up isn't just about your room or style, but also about thoughtfulness and connecting with the people around you. Small acts like this can make both your day and a stranger's day feel just a little more magical. Sometimes, romanticizing life isn't about big changes. It can start with just one small corner. Pick a spot in your room and make it feel intentional and comforting. You don't need to redesign everything, just use what you already own, or better yet, make your own room decor DIYs. Instead of wishing for a different life, you can actively shape the one you already have by creating an environment that naturally sparks motivation. Have I mentioned that touching grass is good for you? Sometimes the simplest way to slow down is to go out with your sketchbook. Pick your favorite spot or somewhere you don't usually go and notice the small details around you. Your sketches don't need to be perfect. The point is the act of creating. One idea that I really like is to place your sketchbook below the shadow of flowers and simply trace out these shadows. Each page of your sketchbook becomes a memory of the day, like a mini time capsule that you can look back on later. Your regular self-care routine can be magical. You don't need a fancy spa, just light some candles, put on your favorite songs, and add some soft lighting to make your space feel dreamy and intentional. You can make your own sugar scrub with flowers, put on a face mask, and dig through your drawers to find all those skincare products that you've been meaning to use but never got the chance to. It's simple, low effort, and by the end, you feel like you've actually treated yourself without even leaving the room. Sometimes the easiest way to romanticize your day is by capturing it. I've seen so many cool ideas all across my feed that I've been wanting to try. All you need to do is take simple snapshots around your room or neighborhood and play around with edits to make them into aesthetic collages. If you don't feel like taking pictures, you can also use existing pictures in your camera roll and edit them together. Every shot and edit becomes a keepsake for your day, mood, or season that you can look back on. Starting can be the hardest thing to do, so why not build the habit by starting with something small and fun? Get that Lego set, puzzle, or DIY kit you've been meaning to start but never got the chance to, and put on some music or a show in the background. Not only is this super relaxing, but the finished product also doubles as a cute room decor. This is a great way to enjoy the process and give your mind a creative reset. Instead of doomscrolling, learn that new skill you've been wanting to build. Whether it's learning a new language, playing an instrument, or painting, consume less and create more. You can also turn it into a mini ritual by personalizing it, decorating your workspace, and capturing the process by taking pictures throughout. Over time, these tiny wins add up and can boost your confidence and help you become a better, more creative version of yourself.